This is the President of the United States of America. You have a very important phone call. I would answer this immediately.
Message. 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 Message.
Please would you pick up the telephone? Please pick up your telephone. Ring ring, bada bing ding ding, ring ring ring, bing bing bing. Please would you pick up the telephone? Please pick up your telephone. Ring ring, bada bing ding ding, ring ring ring, bing bing bing.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, if you don't leave me alone, you're gonna have to send me home, 'cause I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
Excuse me, can you let me out of here?
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl I stalk both day and night. So happy together. I see you, you don't see me. I'm hidden with my telephoto lens up in the tree. You're walking and you look around suspiciously. So happy together. I've got your cat, don't be alarmed. As long as you come talk to me, he won't be harmed. We'll go and get a bite to eat, I'll come unarmed. So happy together.
Get out of the tree with the cat in the air.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep, then press pound, press 3, then dial your name, then press 6 and dial your number, then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, then leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice, bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks for calling.
I got mail! Yay! Yay! I got mail! 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 Yay!
Thank you for calling. All lines are busy right now. Your call will be answered in the order in which it was received. You are number 9453. Your call is important to us, so don't hang up or you will lose your place in line. For your convenience, you may leave a message at the tone, and we'll get back to you a whole lot sooner.